Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. The word we're diving into is brand. It's a B1 level verb, and it means to label or mark something. Let's explore how this word is used and why it's so important in our everyday lives. When we talk about brand as a verb, we're usually referring to marking something in a way that identifies it or gives it a specific label. For example, companies often brand their products with logos or names to make them recognizable. Historically, farmers would brand their cattle with a unique mark to show ownership. Today, you might hear someone say they need to brand their business to make it stand out. Some synonyms for brand include label, mark, and stamp. For instance, you could say, the company decided to label all its boxes with a new design, or she wanted to stamp her initials on her notebook. These words all carry the idea of identifying something in a specific way. On the flip side, antonyms for brand might include erase, remove, or obliterate. For example, the logo was too outdated, so they decided to erase it from their packaging, or he worked hard to remove the old label from the jar. Now, let's look at how you can use brand in daily life. If you're working on a project, you might say, I need to brand this presentation so it reflects our company values. If you're shopping, you might notice they brand all their products with a unique emblem. In conversations about reputation, you might hear, that mistake could brand him as careless. Here are some more examples of brand in action. The artist decided to brand her work with a signature logo to build her reputation. The school asked students to brand their supplies with their names to avoid confusion. The bakery plans to brand its cupcakes with a special edible design. To wrap things up, brand is a versatile verb that revolves around marking or labeling something for identification or distinction. It's a word you'll often encounter in business, design, and even personal organization. Thanks so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps more listeners discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using brand and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring. Goodbye.